Good morning, students. Let's continue this chapter. Matrices. You know, matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged into rows and columns. In the first class, I explained all the terms about matrices. Is it clear for you? This continuation. Write down. A is the matrix 2, 5, 19 minus 7. Second row 35 minus 2 minus 5 by 2, 12. Root 3, 1 minus 5 and 70. Write the question. Question is, first one, write the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. Then one by one I will explain. Can you say what is the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix A is, if in a matrix, if there is m rows and n columns, then its order is m by n. Therefore, here, order of A is, what is the order? All of you look at the board. 1, 2, 3 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Then, next question is, find the number of elements. Second one, number of elements. Can you say, if there is 3 rows and 4 columns, then the number of elements is 3 into 4 equal to 12 elements. What is the answer? 3 4s are 12 elements. Then listen, the next question. Write the element A12. Can you say what is the meaning A12? The meaning of A12, actually the general notation of a matrix, all of you look here, is Aij. What is the general notation? Aij stands for ith row, jth column. What is that? Ith row, jth column. Therefore, A12 means first row, second element. Can you say? A12 means 1 is the first row, 2 is the second column. Therefore, that A12 element is equal to 5. A12 is equal to 5. Understand? Then can you say what is A13? A13 means? Say the answer. A13. First row, third column. That is, yes, 19. What is the answer? A13 is equal to 19. Then can you say what is A34? What is A34? What is the meaning A34? Look at the board and say, third row, fourth column. All of you look here. A34 means third row, fourth column. Which is the element third row, fourth column? Yes, 17 is the element corresponding third row, fourth column. Okay. Write the second question. If a matrix has, all of you write, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders it can have? What are the possible orders it can have. All of you look here. How many elements? Total 24 elements. In how many ways you can form the matrix? All of you look at the board. First one is 1 into 24. 1 by 24. What is the meaning 1 by 24? 1 row and 24 columns. Then second one is 24 into 1. 24 rows and only 1 column. Then the second one is 3 rows and 8 columns. 3 by 8. Then the next one is 8 rows and 3 columns. Write the table. Then what the next combination? 4 rows and 6 columns. Then 6 rows and 4 columns. What are the orders? 1 by 24 and 24 by 1. One more combination there. 2 by 12 and 12 by 2 combination also there. 1 by 24, 24 by 1, 3 by 8 and 8 by 3, 4 by 6 and 6 by 4, 2 by 12 and 12 by 2. They are the possible orders. Suppose the next question, all of you write. If a matrix has capital A has 13 elements. 13 elements. What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders? Can you say the answer? Only 2 types. 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. The possible orders it can have 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Okay. Then all of you write the next question. Next type. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Capital A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by, whose elements are given by Aij equal to I plus j the whole square by 2. Our aim is to form a 2 by 2 matrix. The condition is A equal to Aij, that is the general notation. And the condition is Aij equal to the matrix I plus j the whole square by 2. I plus j the whole square by 2. All of you look here. When you take a 2 by 2 matrix, you know that capital A equal to A11. What is the meaning A11? First row, first column element. A12 means first row, second column. Then second row notation A21. A21 means second row, first column, and A22. This is the general 2 by 2 matrix. These are all basics of matrix. Then, how can you form this A11 according to this question? What is the meaning? You have to form a matrix in such a way that Aij equal to I plus j the whole square by 2. What is your I in this part A11? I means 1 and j also means 1. 1 plus 1 the whole square by 2. All of it right? What is 1 plus 1? Yes, 2 square, 4 by 2. Therefore, the first element is 2. Then we need this A12. A12 is 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 3 square 9, 9 by 2. Agree? Then we need A21. A21 means 2 plus 1 the whole square by 2. What is 2 plus 1 the whole square? Yes, that is also 9 by 2. Agree? Then the last one is A22. How can you do that A22? 2, I is 2, J is 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. Then how can you write the final answer? A is equal to the matrix 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. Understand? This is very important. A equal to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. All of you look at the board. The next question is construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by, right, Aij equal to I plus 2j. I plus 2j. Then all of you write. A 3 by 2 matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. Agree. Therefore, the general form is 3 rows. A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Agree. This is a 3 by 2 general form of a 3 by 2 matrix. Then in the previous question like, Aij means, what is here Aij? I plus 2j. I plus 2j means, right, A11 means 1 plus 2 into 1. You can do by yourself. Then A12, A23, A21, A22, A31. A31 means 3 plus 2 into 1. 3 plus 2, 5. A32, 33. A32. 3 plus 2 into 2, 7. Therefore, the final answer, the matrix 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7. Understand the method? Okay, do it. Then one more. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix. The first one is a 3 by 2 matrix. Here the question is construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of 5i minus 3j. What is the meaning modulus? No sign. 1 by 2 into modulus of 5i minus 3j. Okay. Then all of you write a 2 by 3 matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows. A11, write the general form. Then only you can find the elements. A11, A12, A13. A21, A22, A23 is the general form of a 3 by 2 matrix. Then what is your Aij? Aij means half of 5i minus 3j. Isn't it? Here where I means only 1, 2. 2 rows. And j means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 by 1 substitute. 1 by 2 into 5 into 1 minus 3 into 1. What is 5 into 1 minus 3 into 1? 5 minus 3, 2. Modulus 2 means no sign. Here that is positive. 2 by 2 equal to 1. Right? 2 by 2 equal to 1. Then do 1 by 1. All of you look at here 1, 3. 1, 3 answer 5 minus 9. What is 5 minus 9? That is not 15 minus 9. Or A13 is modulus of 5 into 1 minus 3 into 3. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Isn't it? Check the answer. Half of modulus of minus 4. What is the meaning? Modulus of minus 4 means only take the positive value. That is 4. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Very important line. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Not write minus 2. If one element is wrong, then like that, write all the do it. A21, A22, A23. Understand? Then write the answer. Capital A equal to the matrix 1, 1 by 2, 2, 7 by 2, 2, 1 by 2. Okay, that is about the formation of a matrix if the form is given. Aij is given, then you can form a matrix. That is also very important topic. Okay. Write the next heading. Value-based questions. Value-based questions. That means if a question is given, how can you convert that into matrix form? All of you copy the question. The cooperative store of a particular school has 10 dozen physics books, 10 dozen physics books, 8 dozen chemistry books, right? 8 dozen chemistry books and 5 dozen mathematics books. And 5 dozen mathematics books. Full stop. Their selling prices are rupees 65.70, rupees 43.20 and rupees 76.50 respectively. Find by matrix method the total amount received by the store from selling all these items. All of you look here. Look at the board. Our aim is to find the total cost, isn't it? Here, the storekeeper sells 3 types of books. One is physics. Then, what about the second one? Chemistry and maths books. Okay, students? These are the books. Now, look at the board and say 10 dozen physics books. 1 dozen means how many? Yes, 12. Therefore, 10 dozen means number of physics books is 120 and 8 dozen chemistry. 12 8s are 96 and 5 dozen 12 5s are 60 maths books. Understand? We can write this in these are the information given. And the cost is also given. What's the cost given? 67.50, 43.20 and 76.50. All of you look here. Understand? Our aim is to find the cost. In the first class, I already explained the operations relating this matrices. Addition, subtraction, isn't it? Multiplication. All of you watch that first video also. Then only you can know this also. Okay. Now, actually, matrix is only a rectangular array of numbers. No information given in the question. Therefore, we can write this question as, our aim is to find the total cost, isn't it? 120, 96, 60. That is the row matrix. And the second one is a column matrix. 67.50, 43.20, 76.50. Okay. First row into first column gives the first element. Then how can you multiply? All of you write. 120 into 67.50 plus 96 into 43.20 plus 60 into 76.50. Using the calculator, you can multiply. Say the answer. Check the answer. I think you will get this answer, 16,621.20. The total amount is 16,621.20. I will explain one more problem of the same type. Right? The bookshop of a particular school has the bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, right? 8 dozen physics books and 10 dozen economics books. Economics books is 10 dozen. And their selling prices are rupees 80, rupees 60, rupees 40 each. Find the total cost. Here, this is a very simple question. All of you read the first line. A school has 10 dozen chemistry books. 10 dozen again, 120. 8 dozen means 12 eights are 96. And that is last one also 120. Isn't it? Now you can put this in which form? Matrix form. 120, 96 and again 120 into 80, 60, 40. First row into first column. Actually, how can you verify that? Can you multiply this? Can you say what is the order here? 3 rows and 1 row and 3 columns. The second one, 3 rows and 1 column. If the inner elements are same, then only we can multiply. If the inner elements are same, then only we can multiply and the answer is a 1 by 1. Therefore, say the answer 120 into 80 plus 96 into 60 plus 120 into 40. Final answer? Yes. 20,160 rupees. Okay. 20,160 rupees. Look here. All of you study all these. Part 3 and part 4 also uploaded. Therefore, watch the class. Study well. God bless you.